Pig farming and processing is an important process in the agricultural and food industry. First, to ensure healthy growth of pigs, farmers need to choose good breeds, build clean, airy barns and provide a reasonable diet. Pigs need to be fully vaccinated to prevent disease. When the pigs reach the standard weight, the processing process begins. Pigs are slaughtered according to strict hygiene procedures to ensure food safety. Then, the pork is classified and stored in a suitable environment before being brought to market. Some popular processed pork products include ham, sausage, nem-chua and smoked meat. The application of modern technology in farming and processing helps improve product quality and meet consumer demand. In addition to farming and processing according to traditional methods, many farms are now applying advanced technology to improve production efficiency. Closed farming models, using temperature and humidity control systems, and automated feeding help pigs grow better and reduce the risk of disease. At the same time, the use of organic feed and the restriction of antibiotics are becoming a trend to ensure cleaner and safer pork for consumers. In the processing stage, many production facilities have invested in modern technological lines to ensure that the slaughtering, preservation and processing processes meet food hygiene and safety standards. After slaughter, pork can be sold fresh or processed into products such as frozen meat, marinated meat, or ready-to-eat dishes. Some specialty products such as sausages, ham, and roast meat are also popular in the domestic and export markets. Thanks to the development of science and technology, the pig farming and processing industry is increasingly modern, contributing to increasing economic value and ensuring a quality food source for consumers. In addition to the technical aspects of farming and processing, environmental management and waste treatment in pig farming are also important issues. Pig farming can generate a large amount of waste, including manure, wastewater and emissions. To minimize negative impacts on the environment, many farms have applied waste treatment measures such as using biogas tanks to utilize biogas as energy, or processing pig manure into organic fertilizer for agricultural production. In addition, the trend of raising pigs according to Viet Gap Global GAP or organic standards is becoming more and more popular to meet the demand for clean and safe consumption. These farms not only ensure hygiene during the breeding process but also strictly control the source of food and water and do not use banned substances or excessive antibiotics. This helps improve the quality of pork and create brand value for the product. In the distribution stage, processed pork will be brought to the supermarket system, traditional markets, or exported abroad. The pork processing food industry is also growing with many convenient products such as canned meat, cold cuts, meatballs, helping to meet the diverse needs of consumers. In general, pig breeding and processing are constantly improving to adapt to modern trends. Both ensuring economic efficiency and aiming for sustainable production and environmental protection in addition to modernizing the farming and processing process. Quality control and food safety also play an important role in bringing pork products to consumers. Authorities regularly inspect and monitor the slaughtering, processing and preservation processes to prevent the use of banned substances, antibiotic abuse or improper preservation. Production facilities also need to strictly comply with hygiene standards, ensuring clear product traceability to increase customer confidence. In addition, the development of e-commerce and modern distribution systems make it easier for consumers to access high-quality pork products. Many businesses have applied blockchain technology to make information about product origin transparent. From farming, slaughtering to transportation and distribution. This not only helps to enhance brand value but also creates peace of mind for consumers when choosing food. In the future, the pig farming and processing industry will continue to develop in a sustainable direction, applying high technology to minimize environmental impacts, while meeting increasingly demanding market demands. Solutions such as organic farming, clean food processing and expanding export markets will be important directions to enhance the value of the industry. In addition to improving food quality and safety, the pig farming and processing industry also aims for sustainable development and adapting to green consumption trends. One of the prominent trends is the use of environmentally friendly materials, minimizing waste and applying a circular economic model. For example, farms can utilize livestock waste such as pig manure to produce organic fertilizer or recycled animal feed, helping to reduce costs and limit environmental impacts. In addition, research and application of biotechnology in pig farming are also being promoted. Advanced breeding methods help create pig breeds that grow quickly, are resistant to disease, and are more feed efficient. In processing, cold storage, vacuuming, and food irradiation technologies help extend the shelf life of pork without the use of toxic preservatives. Thanks to that, product quality is maintained, ensuring safety for consumers. In addition to serving domestic demand, the pig farming and processing industry also has great potential for export. Many Vietnamese enterprises have expanded their markets abroad, especially to countries with high demand for pork such as China, Korea, Japan, and Europe. However, to compete in the international market, businesses need to meet strict standards on quality, food safety and traceability. In short, the pig farming and processing industry is increasingly developing towards modernity, sustainability, and environmental friendliness, with investment in technology, quality control and market expansion. This will continue to be an important sector contributing to the economy and providing essential food sources for people in addition to development opportunities. The pig farming and processing industry also faces many challenges, especially diseases, climate change and increasing market demands. African swine fever has caused great damage to the livestock industry, forcing farms to strengthen disease prevention measures, such as vaccination, controlling breeding sources and improving farming conditions. In addition, climate change also affects the source of food, water quality, and living environment of pigs, requiring farmers to have effective adaptation solutions. In terms of the market, consumer trends are gradually changing as consumers are more interested in clean, organic products with clear origins. This requires businesses to improve production processes and invest in quality certifications such as Viet Gap, Global Gap or other international standards. At the same time, processed meat products need to be more diverse to suit modern eating trends. Such as convenient, nutritious and long-lasting foods. In addition, competition in the pig farming and processing industry is increasingly fierce, not only from the domestic market but also from imported products. To maintain its position, the industry needs to promote the application of technology, improve product quality and build strong brands. Support policies from the state also play an important role in helping farms and businesses access capital, technology, and consumer markets. In general, pig farming and processing is not only an essential food supply industry but also an important contributor to economic development. If we know how to take advantage of opportunities and overcome challenges, this industry will continue to develop sustainably. Meet domestic demand and reach international standards. Orientation for the development of the pig farming and processing industry in the future. In the coming time, the pig farming and processing industry will continue to transform towards modernity, sustainability, and better meet market demand. One of the important strategies is to promote the application of high technology in livestock farming. From automatic barn systems, air-based nutrition control to the use of antibiotic-free farming methods to ensure food safety. In addition, the pork processing industry will increasingly diversify its products. Instead of focusing only on fresh meat, enterprises will develop more processed products such as frozen foods, canned foods, pre-marinated meats and value-added products such as sausages. Ham and Chinese sausages. These products not only serve the domestic market but also have great potential for export. In addition, building a closed supply chain. From breeding, slaughtering, processing to distribution is also an inevitable trend. Large enterprises are investing heavily in this model to control product quality from input to output, while optimizing production costs. Reputable brands that ensure food hygiene and safety will have a great advantage in accessing increasingly demanding consumer markets. In terms of policy, the state will continue to support the pig farming industry through disease control programs, investment in livestock infrastructure, and encouragement of organic and sustainable production. In addition, free trade agreements open up many export opportunities but also place high demands on quality.